Sleeping problems, a common issue that many of us face. Whether it's due to a hectic lifestyle or underlying health issues, we're here to help you find natural solutions to improve your sleep. Welcome back to the Lost Secrets of Herbs. Sleep problems can stem from various factors, from stress to health concerns. The first step is identifying what's causing your restless nights. Is it stress? Health issues? We're here to explore the possibilities and find the right remedy for you. Managing stress is crucial for a good night's sleep. Take time for relaxation, avoid late-night work, and end your day without hurrying or worrying. Create a peaceful bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. Establish a sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improves sleep quality. In the evening, take a 30-minute walk. It's an excellent way to relax and prepare your body for sleep. Just before bedtime, consider a soothing bath with pine essential oil. The aroma of pine essential oil can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Inhaling the scent during a bath can have a calming effect on the mind and body. However, it's important to use essential oils, including pine oil, with caution. Perform a patch test to check for skin sensitivities or allergies. If you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, consult with a healthcare professional before using essential oils. Herbs like St. John's wort, raspberry leaves, chamomile, dill, lavender, and fennel can be incredibly helpful if you struggle to fall asleep. Here are a couple of proven herbal recipes. For the first recipe, mix 1 tablespoon each of Hawthorn, Valerian, chamomile, and yellow sweet clover. Add 2 tablespoons of this mixture to 2 cups of hot water. Steep for 3 hours, strain, and drink half a cup 4 times a day. For the second recipe, combine 1 tablespoon of raspberry leaves, 1 tablespoon of white yarrow, and 1 tablespoon of peppermint. Steep in 300 milliliters of boiled water, cool it down, and drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. Give these natural remedies a try and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural remedies and health tips. Sweet dreams, everyone.